It's like, ooh, watch. I gotta have the watch, Mom.
Yeah. You rolled over. Good job. Yeah.
He laughed so hard, he rolled over. Help, I'm a turtle. My turtle on my back, help me. Help me, Mama, I'm a turtle. Ah, there you go. Face plant.
Oh, there it goes. What just happened? Yeah.
Like, I gotta get the crocodile. Good job.
Yeah, good job. You get it? You get it?
So excited every time I look at him. He's like, what?
Yeah.
Like, Mom, I got something serious. Got something serious to tell you, Mom. So serious.
You get it? You get it?
I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm not moving. I'm not moving.
You get it? You get it?
It's like, it's weird. I crawled across the floor earlier, guys. With Dad with his hand behind my feet. Oh, you gonna get him now? Can you get the gator? Nope, you can't move.
You do it again? Yeah.
You gonna get him?
There you go.
Good job. With Mom putting her arm behind your feet like we have to. Alright, say bye-bye. Superman, baby. Alright. True tummy time on the tummy.